Welcome to CREATA classes. This is 25th lecture under the quadrilateral series. And in this lecture, we will cover our 10th question. The question is, refer the figure. In triangle ABC, D, E and F are respectively the midpoint of side AB, BC and CA. Show that triangle ABC is divided into 4 congruent triangles by joining D, E and F. Let's refer the figure. D, E and F are the midpoint of AB, BC and CA respectively. As D and F are the midpoint of side AB and AC. As per our midpoint theorem, we can say DF is parallel to BC. Our midpoint theorem, the line segment joining the midpoints of 2 sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Here D and F are the midpoints and BC is the third side. In the similar fashion, we can say EF is parallel to AB and DE is parallel to AC. Same philosophy will be applicable here also. These pair of sides are parallel to each other. Are you able to observe many quadrilaterals inside the triangle? And we have just seen the opposite sides of these quadrilaterals are parallel to each other. Like if we take the quadrilateral ADEF, we can say AD is parallel to EF and DE is parallel to AF. So we can say ADEF is a parallelogram. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel to each other. Similarly, we can say BDFE. This quadrilateral is also a parallelogram. Okay, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Similarly, DFCE is also a parallelogram. So we got 3 parallelograms out of this triangle. Now, are you able to observe DE is a diagonal of the parallelogram BDFE? Therefore, we can say triangle BDE is congruent to triangle FED. The first theorem we have done, that is the diagonal divide the parallelogram into 2 congruent triangles. Here this is a diagonal, so these 2 triangles will be congruent to each other. Similarly, DF is the diagonal for this parallelogram, so we can say triangle DAF is congruent to triangle FED. Both of these triangles are congruent to each other. In similar line, we can say triangle EFC is congruent to triangle FED. Okay, EF is a diagonal here. So all of these triangles are congruent to each other. That is the answer of the question. So that's it for this lecture. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. The link is given in the description. So thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Bye for now.